5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. 150, right 6 over small crest 70, then crest 50, and right 4 no cut, off camber, narrow. So crest 50, right 4 no cut, off camber, narrow, then 150. Right 4 minus late, 70. Then care, right 5 over crest, down 30, turn, left 4 minus late, off camber. So care, right 5 over crest, down 30, turn, left 4 minus late, off camber, 70. Left 5 minus very long, small crest 20, right 3 plus off camber. So there's your right 3 plus off camber, then left 4 minus, into right 5 plus, very long. Then care, crest 20, left 3 late, tightens down, deceptive. So right 5 very long, care crest. So still right, care crest 20, left 3 late, tightens down, deceptive. 50. Braking right 6 long over small crest down into right 3 plus long, 30. Left 4 over small crest. Into double caution 50 crest, left 3 plus long, deceptive. Double caution 50 crest, left 3 plus long, deceptive. Into care, right 3 plus, off camber, very long. Care, right 3 plus, off camber, very long. Then left 4 over crest, tightens, 30. So left 4 over crest, tightens, 30. Then right 5 minus off camber, very long. Right 5 minus off camber, very long, 70. Then left 6, into right 6, then left 5 plus over small crest, and right 6 off camber long, 120. Then slowing right 5 plus off camber 50 to right 4 opens off camber. Now right 4 opens off camber. Then left 6 into left 4 plus. Left 6 into left 4 plus, into right 5 over 300 off camber, care tightens to 4. So very long in this right 5 off camber, care tightens to 4. Into left 4 long over crest. So here's your tightens 4 now. Then your left 4 long over crest, 50. And right 5 off camber, 50. Then left 5 plus, into right 5 plus, then left 5 plus again, 50, then right 5 off camber, extra long, now's your right 5 off camber, extra long, into small crest, 70, then left 5 long, now left 5 long, into right 5 minus, off camber, 200. Now right 5 minus, off camber, 200. Then right 6 off camber long into setup left 5 over crest, 70. Then right 6 over small crest, 350. Slowing right 6 plus into left 4 plus opens. At the end of this is a slowing right 6 plus into left 4 plus opens, 120. Then right 5 plus long, 120. Left 6, 250. There's your left 6, 250. Then right 5 long, 50. And left 6 tightens, 50. Now left 6 tightens 50, then right 5 plus 50, and left 4 plus. So right 5 plus 50, left 4 plus, into right 4 plus, 200. At the end of this is a left 6, very long, into right 6, very long, then 100. Then braking crest 70, left 4. Braking crest 70, left 4. Right 5 plus over small crest off camber, 70. Right 5 plus over small crest off camber, 70. And right 650. Then care, braking, right 5 short into left 2 minus. So braking, now right 5 short to left 2 minus. And left 5. Now left 5, 30, then right 4. And left 4 long. Now left 4 long, 50, then right 3 plus late, 150.
Right 3 plus?
Correct, late, 150. Left 5 over small crest, 100. And small crest, 180. Then small crest into right 6 long over small crest, 50. And right 6 very long over 2 small crests, 100. So right 6 very long over 2 small crest, 100. Then braking turn left 3 minus. Looking for a braking turn left 3 minus. Into right 5 plus, tightens to 4. Right 5 plus, tightens to 4. And small crest 30. Then right 4 plus. Right 4 plus here, into small crest, into left 6, into right 5 plus, into left 4 minus off camber, very long.
4 minus.
Correct, left 4 minus off camber, very long, 30. Then right 4 over small crest, off camber, long, 30. Then left 5 over small jump off camber, 50, and left 6 plus. Then right 5 plus, 70. Then left 6 plus. Small crest 50, then left 5, 50 to finish. Left 5, 50 to finish. Then left 6 plus, and small crest, 50. Then left 5 plus off camber. Nice job, dude.
Good job.
You
That
too.
felt pretty good.
Yeah, it did.
It felt just smooth and comfortable.
Yep.